The learner who achieves the highest GPA and also passes the standardized RN exit exam on the first attempt is recognized as the cohort valedictorian. Please help me congratulate the Spring 2015 valedictorian, Mary Virginia Parker. I would like to invite Mary Virginia Parker to the podium.
All right, so I should have brought tissues, obviously. Sorry. I'm going to kind of be blubbering up here. So hello, everyone. Thank you very much for this honor. I just want to begin by thanking all of those individuals involved in this 16-month journey. I want to thank the teachers and the faculty for being supportive and willing to lend a supportive ear when needed. I want to thank my family, especially my husband and children, for their support and bearing with me through all of the curveballs and unending stress that nursing school brings. I also want to thank my fellow students, because you guys are all awesome. And I'm so fortunate to have met all of you and to now call you friends. The past year and a half has proven arduous at times and definitely has tested our strength of will and character and has brought our sanity into question multiple times. But I believe it has been a worthwhile struggle, and I can say that I've learned a lot about myself and now know that I have the tenacity to pursue my ambitions and never stop trying to succeed. Nursing school is definitely not for wimps. This program has honestly been more difficult than achieving my bachelor's degree. Therefore, I think we all need to pat ourselves on the back and give each other a hug, because we have proven ourselves worthy of this diploma. Despite all of the trials and endless need for flexibility, I enjoyed myself and I enjoyed the people that I met and the experiences that I have gained. I'm glad that this particular time is behind me, but I will also remember the fun that was had, the nicknames that were coined, especially for certain individuals, both faculty and students, like Beetlejuice, Grandpa, Giggles, Mary Poppins, Maddie Bear, and there's so many more. And we'll also fondly remember the interesting clinical experiences that occurred that only nurses with a slightly twisted sense of humor could truly appreciate. So now I'm going to do something totally uncharacteristic and be brief, by ending the speech by just saying thank you, good luck, and congratulations to all of us.